The Kuala Lumpur High Court heard on Monday that 1MDB and its 4 subsidiaries will prove that former Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Razak stood at the heart of the alleged fraud that cost the Sovereign Wealth Fund $5.64 billion. On the first day of the trial arising from a suit they filed against Najib and 7 others in 2021. The plaintiffs said Najib used his apex position, power and influence as Prime Minister, Finance Minister and Controller of Minister of Finance Incorporated to commit acts and exert influence over 1MDB's board. They claimed that Najib executed abnormal transactions with undue haste to enrich himself, his wife, his stepson and his proxy and fugitive businessman Jolo. They said they will show that Najib had breached the trust placed in him as a leader. The plaintiff's first witness who testified in the trial was UK-based Kroll Advisory Limited's Director of Investigation Richard Templeman. They also named former 1MDB Finance Director Terence Gay, former Counsel Jasmine Liu, former Executive Director Casey Tang, former Chief Investment Officer Nick Faisal Arif Kamil and 3 others as defendants. The writ of summons stated that the plaintiffs, among other things, accused the defendants of breach of trust and statutory duty, abuse of power and conspiracy to misappropriate 1MDB funds. In December 2025, Najib was sentenced to 15 years imprisonment and slapped with the 11.4 billion ringgit fine for his conviction on 4 counts of abuse of power and 21 counts of money laundering involving 1MDB funds.